How to log out all devices on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out your Instagram account from all devices. Now, to do so, first what you want to do is open up the app and log into your account. You'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile. You can always have the profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the three line icon or three horizontal lines that you can see on the top right corner of your screen right here. You get varieties of options. Now just head into settings and privacy and head over to account center. Now if you can't find account center, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find this option password and security there. Tap on it, and here if you want to change your password, you can simply tap on change password and change your password. You can type in your current password and the new password, and it will simply log out of all devices and ask for password to log back in. However, if you just want to log out, then what you want to do is scroll back, and then under security checks you'll find the option where you are logged in. Open this up and you'll find your profile username, and you'll see device types right there. If you tap on it, and then you can find all the devices that you have logged in your account. Now if you want to log out simply of all devices, just tap on select all, or if you want to select particular devices to log out, you can see the option select devices to log out. I'll just tap on select all here right here, and then tap on log out, and it'll ask you for confirmation. Now here it'll ask, you can see, do you want to log out from these devices? Simply tap on log out, and then it'll log out from all devices. So this way you can log out all devices on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.